Shover shtika. Shover shtika. Rough is it. Beautiful one. And we'll start on the line. Men start left, girls start right. And we start left and right. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Now, left, right, left. My back in the center, sway, sway. Back 2 and 3. Turn 2 and 3. The men stay outside. Now, left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Back and open. And turn 2. Open and cross. Open and cross. Sway. Now, right, left, and right. Left, right, and left. And right, left, right. Then we're going to do it again. The second time, we're finishing my back to the center. I'm going to do the second time. And left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now, left, right, left, face outside, and back 2 and 3, turn 2, 3. And left, right, left, right, left, right. I go back. And hold. And turn 2, open and cross. Open and cross. Sway open, right, left, and right. Left, right, left, and right, left, right. Finishing my back to the center. And then we're going to start the second part. Men start left, girls start right. Left 2 and 3. Right 2 and 3. I'm going to the left, and I'm continuing to the left, and then I'm hungry. Yes, from here, we go inside 2, 3, Yemenite, cross and cut, and back 2, 3, forward 2, 3, turn 2, 3, now left, right, Yemenite left, back, 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 together, and turn 2, 3. And then the ending of the dance, back 2, 3, and then start again. Now the ending, we're doing this. Back 2 and 3, and forward. Okay? I'm going to do again the second part that you can practice. I'm going to do it slowly without stopping. And left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, and right. And I'm hugging. And inside 2, 3. Yemenite. Cross and cut and back 2, 3. Forward 2, 3. Turn 2, 3. Now left, right. Yemenite here. Back, back, back. Now together. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Back 2, 3.